Hello! In this video we're gonna learn about the Comsof license server. It's important for you to know the concept of area licenses and license server. Before you can perform a calculation on an area, you needed to have a license downloaded for that area. Licenses are generated for the set of demand points in an area and also apply to any subset of points in the area. Licenses are stored on the license server and are shared for everyone in your company. So let's say you have a network with 100 points. You need 100 credits to actually perform your calculation. If any other person from your company also needs the same license, they can download it from the license server without any extra cost. If you have a couple more points, for example 3 or 4 more points, you don't need to recreate a whole new license. You can just extend an existing license. To access your license server, you need your login and password. You can set this information via the Welcome to Comsof community email. In the license server, you can view the existing license, see the available credits, and also the existing projects. There, you can also download the available installers, view your license keys, and other information regarding the company. To access the license server, you must go to license.comsof.com. Then a login screen will appear. You should enter your username and password and log in. There, you have an overview of all the companies that you are part of. In this case, I'm part of the Open Training Heat. Here, I'll have an overview of my organization. If I click in users, I can see all the users that are part of this organization. Projects, you see the name of the project, the number of available credits, and the number of licenses. Once a license is created, it is showing in this window. From here, the other users can also download the available licenses. If you click here, it's possible to download the latest available installer. And below, you can find the installation key. This concludes the video Comsof license server. Thank you for watching.